Want this? Let's start editing. For the first video clip, add Lisa New Woman Twixtor clip, duration to 0.5 seconds. I used 3:4 ratio. Duplicate the video clip and reverse the copied clip. And change the speed to 2.9 times to make it 0.9 second. Add keyframe on the beginning, and at the end, adjust the video into a smaller size like this. Aligning with the last keyframe, adjust the saturation to -50 to change the last part color of the video clip to black and white. Go back to the first clip and add effect, horizontal open under opening and closing. Place the effect up to the end of the first clip. Add the next effect for the second clip, horizontal close under opening and closing. Place the effect up to the end of the clip. And add graph flow 5 on the second clip. Add another effect, black flash 2 under nightclub. Next, add the following clips. Durations are on the screen, and add the following animation on every clip. Third clip up to sixth clip, animation in, swing bottom and swing right alternately for 0.2 second each. Seventh clip up to the 11th clip, animation combo, fall right, right zoom, fall left, left zoom, and zoom 1. And for the 12th clip, animation in, swing bottom for 0.2 second. Back to the third clip, add effect zoom lens under lens. And a small part of white flash under nightclub. Fourth clip, astral under nightclub, adjust the speed to 9. And a small part of oblique blur under opening and closing, adjust the blur to 100 and rotate to 50. Next, just copy the zoom lens and place it under the fifth clip. Same steps with the oblique blur. Copy again the oblique blur and place it under the sixth clip. Seventh clip, level glitch under glitch. Eighth clip, fuzzy under glitch. Ninth clip, bad TV under glitch. 10th clip, DV texture under TV. Then adjust the 10th clip saturation to -50 to make it black and white. No effect added to clip 11. And clip 12, add rolling film under retro at the last part of the clip. When done, remove the music for a while and export the project. Go back to the project and tap the undo to bring back the music. Add the project that was just exported as the next clip. And reverse the project. Then trim the clip, duration 5.3 seconds. Delete the excess parts, and export. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.